How's it going there, guys? Jeremy here, Consciousness Awake, wishing you tons of positive energy like always. Hope you're having a really good day wherever you are. Today's video is a video response to a subscriber's comment from earlier today. So the title of this video is Why is Consciousness Anchored Here? Like, why is consciousness anchored here, like in this physical reality and in this earth reality construct is the question. Before I get into it, though, before I give you at least my four top reasons why I think we are here in this physical reality, I want to do a couple quick shout outs, one to inner luminosity and also another to aware wolf. So you guys comment down below, say what's up to everyone. These guys are consciousness explorers. They're OBE experiencers. They're devoting their souls to making content like I am. We're devoting our consciousness and our soul to spread awareness on what reality is, or at least our best perspective through our own experiences to what it is. But one thing is for certain, myself, these shout outs, plus a lot of other channels on YouTube and elsewhere, different platforms, there is a common theme. We know, especially through our own experiences, we know that we're multidimensional beings. We're multidimensional spiritual beings. So, for those who don't know, well, that's why we're here. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. So, once a individual understands that you need to keep your consciousness for yourself and stop giving it away to the power construct that's been playing you forever. So now let me get back to the title of this video, which is Why is Consciousness Anchored Here? So, since I've been having my own out-of-body experiences, for a while, for a long time, majority of my life, I've been having them. And, when a person, including myself, when you go through these kinds of experiences, and then you finally see that your consciousness is soul inside this physical body, and you've known it because you're experiencing leaving and coming back to the physicality of this human body, you at some point ask yourself, why am I here? Because especially when you've confirmed and validated that you're a multidimensional being and consciousness is multidimensional, like once you're there, you're officially there and you're spiritually awakened to yourself, almost like the next question is like, wow, then why am I here? You're like, why am I in this place, in this reality? What's the purpose of this? So you really start digging deep, and we're here to, we're here to learn. We're here to grow, have, new experiences that maybe we didn't have in past lives, past life cycles, life experience cycles. And to also try to make different choices and new choices and make mistakes and get an understanding of this world, through this physical body and just experience things. And so here's four things. Four things. Four of my top observations, after years of, OBE observations and, just talking and hearing about other people's experiences, My top four are this. The first one that I'm going to mention right now, I'll get back to after I run through all four of them that are on my mind. So I'll get back to the first one in a moment. But the first one is lost God's trust. So the first one is lost God's trust. The second one is reincarnation. That's pretty self-explanatory. You know, we go through each life cycle, we make certain mistakes, we do certain wrongs, we're not happy or satisfied with the life experience that we had or the experience in general, so we want to do a retake, many retakes over and over again, growing and getting better and evolving our consciousness each time, each experiential cycle. So, you know, we're trying to, balance karma, things like that. So reincarnation, definitely. Number three is we're on a mission. As consciousness, we're coming from the mental planes and we're coming down on a mission to help elevate consciousness and to help consciousness grow and evolve and lower its own entropy. So consciousness we have certain entropies in our physicality, and then we have also entropies that are associated with consciousness within the mental planes. And the fourth thing that tops my top four list is some of us come back to, it's not necessarily reincarnation. You're not going through a loop, a reincarnational loop, but you're specifically just coming down into Earth reality construct, this 3D physical reality that we're in, to experience different types of things like, fatherhood, motherhood, living different types of lifestyles in different parts of the world, poor, rich, etc. So, so definitely, I think, and some people, maybe they had a series of life experiences, not just on Earth, but on different planes, different reality constructs, different planets, etc. And maybe they didn't have the opportunity to raise a family or to have birth their own, children, etc. So, experiencing motherhood or fatherhood can be a really unbelievable thing to a certain type of consciousness in some other place where maybe they can't experience that, and they want to experience that in this human, this human body that we're in. So if you have, those are kind of my top four. And again, let me get back to lost God's trust, the first one I mentioned. But if you guys have any other ones, any other specific ones that top your own top three, top four, top five list, please leave them in the comments down below. Please share your thoughts. This is a community and we respect one another, no matter what. And no matter what belief structure either, we respect everybody. And everyone can teach us something. There's something always to learn. But my first one I mentioned was lost God's trust. So here's the thing. There's a certain percentage of you guys right now that are subscribed to me, or other people watching these videos. And your last life cycle was in the mental planes. It was most likely maybe in the fifth density, 5D, different astral levels, different planes. And you did something to lose the trust of the universe, to lose trust of God. You misused your abilities while in the mental plane and just, broke some kind of major rule set, or went across a major boundary with things, and now you are cast down into physicality, 3D reality, third density, to grow and to relearn how to regain the trust of the universe or from God, so that you can be trusted. So there's that. And so I feel like there's a lot of us probably who were, maybe walking sticking our toes onto that gray area or crossing the gray area, who knows what. And now we're here, and we're trying to relearn how to use our mental intentions and our emotions and mental intentions, etc., so that we can regrow that trust. So those are my four things at the top of my own mind. Again, if you guys have anything to add, leave them in the comments below. And you guys, peace out, and thank you for watching.